In this video, we're breaking down whether the damage you're seeing on your brand new roof is normal or if it's a red flag you shouldn't ignore, especially when your roof is less than a month old. So here's the deal. When a roof goes on during rain and wind, like you had with that 0.25 inch of rain and 25 miles per hour gusts at around 40 degrees, it's not unusual to see some early signs of trouble, but major issues popping up this soon definitely raise eyebrows. Shingles misaligned right from the start usually point to installation errors, which can get worse quickly if left unchecked. I'd say keep an eye on how those shingles are laying flat. Any curling, cracking, or missing granules means water could sneak in and cause leaks. Also, temperature plays a role. Cold weather can make shingles brittle, so if they weren't stored or handled right before being nailed down, damage can happen fast. That wind at 29 miles per hour one day might have stressed the roof a bit, but if you're seeing damage far from the edges where siding installers supposedly caused it, that sounds sketchy to me. Best move? Definitely get a third-party roofing pro out there for an unbiased inspection before you sign off on the house delivery. They'll spot stuff you might miss and help you avoid headaches later on. One of the biggest mistakes people make with new roofs is ignoring early signs of trouble because they assume everything's fine since it's new. Another common issue is trusting whoever installed the roof without getting a professional opinion when problems arise. Sometimes the installers might downplay damage to save face. And lastly, skimping on proper inspection after bad weather hits can lead to missing hidden damage that turns into costly repairs down the line. To fix these, don't hesitate to call in a trusted roofing contractor who knows what to look for. Don't just rely on the builder's word. Keep a close watch on your shingles condition after storms or extreme weather changes, and don't wait too long to act if something looks off. Document any damage with photos and notes to have solid proof for warranty claims or disputes. That way, you're covered and won't get stuck footing repair bills that aren't your fault. BigHomeProjects.com is clutch for connecting homeowners like you with vetted local contractors who know their stuff, making it way easier to find the right pros for inspections or repairs without the hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid spot to find steady work and build your client base in your area.